Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to scan several DOMs at the same time. When you're a beginner with order book trading, seeing all those fast-moving numbers can be very confusing. You can be quickly overwhelmed. You'll see that over time, your eyes and brain will develop the ability to instinctively analyze charts with a single glance. This is what us traders call feeling the market. I'm going to teach you today all the techniques that will allow us to feel the market and to be completely comfortable. First, we will start by looking at the information and focus on its functions. The two most important pieces of information that we will have to pay a lot of attention to will be the bid and ask, the buying and selling intentions, and the inside print, the transactions that are actually executed in the market. This information will allow you to know in real time what is happening in the market, who is taking control, or who is attacking the other. They are really the two most important pieces of information, and that's what you have to focus on all the time. The first mistake you shouldn't make is to display all the DOMs at once. You're going to start by putting only one DOM at a time. Only then you'll be able to practice and get your eyes and brain accustomed to analyzing the specific areas you've just seen: the bid, the ask, and the inside print. Now let's move on to a technique that will allow you to scan the DOMs effectively. For this, you need to focus your eyes on the first two boxes of the bid and the first two boxes of the ask. Afterwards, look at the inside print. Within the Jigsaws app, you have the opportunity to add a small visual help. You can turn the box into a salmon red color and a green one. The information provided by the green color will be for the last contract made at the buyer's price. It's called an uptick, and the salmon red will indicate the last contract made at seller's price. It's called a downtick. To practice spotting important information quickly, here's a very simple technique. Take a DOM and look at it for a few seconds. Then take your focus onto something in your office space. After, bring back your focus on the DOM. Do this several times to get your eyes accustomed to focusing instantly on the bid, ask, and inside print. Once you are completely comfortable with this DOM, add another one to your setup. This technique consists of running your eyes from right to left over the DOM to get the primary information: the bid, the ask, and the inside print. Once you are used to two DOMs, we will add a third DOM so that we can have the three T-bills side by side, as they will work together, and we will need each of these T-bills to have a global view of the market and be able to make the best trading decisions. The first information group consists of the bid, ask, and inside print. These three elements show the information about the market action. The second group of information that you should always look at is the cumulative volume profile and the price on each of the DOMs you have in front of you. The price column will be divided into two colors. You have the black background color, which will tell you that this price has not been traded during this session. When the background color is gray, it indicates that this price has already been traded during this session. This will help you determine if it is approaching the resistances of the current session. The volume profile will give you very important information. Are we in a range? Are we in an area that has been trading a lot since the beginning of the session? We're going to be able to develop a ton of strategy with the volume profile, and all of this will be explained in the following video called Introduction to the Volume Profile. Now that you've learned to scan the DOMs and look for relevant information, the only thing left to do is practice over and over and over again. Remember to always start with just one DOM, and only when you are completely comfortable, add one more, and so on and so on. It doesn't matter if this exercise takes a few days or even a few weeks, just to get your eyes and brain accustomed to it. This process is absolutely normal. It is imperative to have very good habits from the beginning, because if you try to go too fast or try to skip building this skill, you will develop bad habits, and it will be much harder to break them later on.